Today's unboxing is the Bose Frame Tempo. Experience high quality sound without headphones. That's the magic of Bose Frame Tempo, high performance sports sunglasses with a revolutionary Bose open air audio design that allows you to hear your music and your surroundings at the same time for a workout unlike any other. There are two specially designed Bose speakers embedded in the temples to produce sounds that louder and deeper than other audio sunglasses. And whether they are your running sunglasses or cycling shades, open air audio design frees you from headphones so you can stay aware of your surroundings like traffic, pedestrians, whatever you're up against. With a sweat and weather resistant design, a lightweight aerodynamic nylon frame, and soft silicone nose pads, those sports sunglasses are designed for comfort and performance. And they are not only sports sunglasses with polarized lenses, they are also scratch and shatter resistant with Volt 12%, ideal for most sports. Plus, they are interchangeable. Additional polarized lenses like Road Orange Volt 20 and Trial Blue Volt 28 are available for other sports and lighting conditions. The Bose Sports sunglasses play up to 8 hours at a time, include an advanced mic system for clear calls and access to Siri and Google Assistant, and a prescription RX ready. It's the sound you expect from Bose with everything you need from sports blue sunglasses. Compatible with Bose music apps for simple setup, access to your future software updates, and ability to personalize your settings for your Bose Sports sunglasses. Experience the high-quality sound without headphones. Bose Frames Tempo are high-performance sports sunglasses with a revolutionary Bose open-air audio design that allows you to hear your music and your surroundings at the same time for a workout unlike any other. Just pair to your device for high quality sound and crystal clear calls. Reliable Bluetooth range up to 30 feet. With playtime up to 8 hours per charge. Fully recharge in 1 hour via USB-C. And with two specially designed Bose speakers, Bose Frames Tempo style play louder and deeper than other audio sunglasses. Loud enough to hear your music over the rush of the wind when cycling at speeds of 30 miles per hour. Well, that is all up for today with one of the best Bose frames Tempo Sports Audio sunglasses. For more product details, check out the link in the description below. Like, comment and share, and never miss any updates by hitting the subscribe button and stay connected with me, Cyrus Syndicate UK.